What's up guys, Joey here for Tech, and pretty much since its launch, I've been using the OnePlus 8 as my daily driver, so naturally when the OnePlus 8T arrived on our doorstep, I've been pretty anxious to check it out, so guys, join me as we take it out of the box. Lifting up the lid, first we get a little packet that contains some paperwork which includes the quick start guide, warranty, invitation letter, as well as some stickers and of course the SIM ejector tool. Next up we get the OnePlus 8T itself, check that out here. We have it in the lunar silver color. Below that we have the signature red charging cable, this time it's USB Type-C to Type-C. This is of course because the charging brick is now a 65-watt charger, which is pretty cool. Now checking out the phone itself, up front it's pretty much almost an identical twin to the previous OnePlus 8. We get a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2400 by 1080, a refresh rate of 120Hz, HDR10+, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on top. Of course, I say it's identical because we also get a punch hole camera on the upper left. Moving to the back though, it's a different story. We now have a rectangular quad-rear camera module on the upper left, which contains a 48-megapixel main shooter, 16-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Checking out the left side, we have the volume rocker. On the right side, we have the power button as well as the signature OnePlus 3-way volume switch. And at the bottom, we have the dual nano SIM tray, main microphone, USB-C port, and loudspeaker. Powering the OnePlus 8T is none other than the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with an Adreno 650 GPU, and our unit has 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage, but there's also another variant with 12GB of RAM and 256GB internal storage. For battery, we get a 4500 mAh lithium polymer cell with support for 65-watt charging, which as advertised can get to 100% in 39 minutes. For software, of course, it's Oxygen OS 11 on top of Android 11. Again, recapping the cameras, at the back we have a 48-megapixel main, 16-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth. Up front, it's a single 16-megapixel shooter residing in the punch hole. We'll be reserving our full camera evaluation for our full review, but for now, check out these sample photos. The OnePlus 8T is priced at 29,990 pesos over at Digital Walker. Now, what do you guys think about the OnePlus 8T? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.